Who is an environmental IoT specialist?
Environmental IoT specialists use connected sensors and devices to monitor and protect the environment. They combine knowledge of technology, data analysis, and environmental science to come up with innovative solutions for challenges like air quality, water pollution, and wildlife management. This role is vital in helping organizations and communities make smarter, more sustainable decisions using real-time data.
Key responsibilities and tasks.
The main tasks involve designing, deploying, and maintaining IoT sensor networks in natural or urban environments. Specialists collect and analyze environmental data, troubleshoot technical issues, and interpret results to recommend improvements. Their work supports smarter resource usage, early detection of pollution, and effective conservation efforts, all powered by reliable, real-time data from IoT technology.
Skills you need to get started.
To become an environmental IoT specialist, you should build skills in basic electronics, programming, and data analysis. Familiarity with environmental science concepts is essential, along with experience using sensors and connectivity tools like Wi-Fi and LoRaWAN. Communication and problem-solving skills are also important, since you'll need to interpret data for diverse audiences and troubleshoot systems in the field.
Education and learning pathways.
A bachelor's degree in environmental science, engineering, computer science, or a similar field is common, but not always required. Many specialists gain experience through internships, online courses, or hands-on projects. Certifications in IoT, data analytics, or environmental monitoring can boost your credentials. Look for opportunities to work with real-world data and get comfortable with IoT hardware and software.
How to gain real-world experience.
Consider joining community science projects, volunteering with environmental organizations, or building your own sensor networks at home. Participate in hackathons or university research projects to expand your technical skills. Networking with professionals and joining industry groups can help you find job openings and mentors in this exciting, fast-growing field.
Career outlook and opportunities.
Demand for environmental IoT specialists is growing as governments, companies, and nonprofits seek smarter ways to address environmental issues. Career paths may lead to roles in smart cities, agriculture, conservation, or industrial settings. With a mix of tech and environmental knowledge, you can make a real impact on the planet while working at the forefront of innovation.